Not an air conditioner. It's an air purifier. It's got a special filter that will take care of small, medium, large rooms. So you have an office, you have a room, or a living room. This product may be right for you. So let's open it up, show you what you get, how to set it up and use it. The air purifier comes with a user manual. Also replaceable filters that are built in that you could take out and repurchase. A lot of information in the manual to go over. 5 to 6 foot extension cord. Plug it into an outlet. Please pull off the 4 strips of tape. Pull on the handle, very easy. Instructions on how to take the filter out. For the very first time, do not run the machine until you pull the filter and take the plastic off. Please read the instructions. Look very carefully. It tells you which way the filter goes on. One way, white towards the back, black towards the front. Slide it in. There is a handle to grab, and you can hear the beeping of the unit acknowledging the filter. Put the cover back on, and you're ready to use the machine for the first time. Correctly looking at the top of the unit, it is a dark on dark background. There are a number of buttons that you press. Power button. Notice the red light that turns on. Number 1, the unit turns on and you can hear it running and throws a colored light. Press it again for number 2. Press it again for number 3, which is automatic. You notice it starts to slow down a little. You have an 8-hour, 12-hour, 24-hour timer, and notice the light changes color for the timer. And number 1, again, you can cancel the timer. You have a sleep mode. The light goes off so it doesn't disturb you. And it's a very quiet, low fan. You have here's another mode that says display off reset. And you have another mode that's UV. We'll raise this up to automatic. We'll leave it on UV. And we'll turn the display off. Turn it on. Don't forget to take this sticker off and take off the plastic of the HEPA filter. You can replace them once in a while if you like. You could probably rinse them out and clean them up. This is great for spring and fall when the pollen hits. So if you got a room that is closed and you want to clean the air, especially for a nice large room. My room is about 12 by 26 feet, and this will clean the air for sure. And it runs nice and quiet. It is a nice large capacity fan. It is not meant to cool off the room. It is meant to clean out the impurities of the air. So I hope this product may be right for you, and I hope you enjoy it if you decide on the product. Have a great day.